Ever pondered the process of crafting a delectable pork roast from scratch? Well, today is your lucky day. Embrace the journey of transforming a simple piece of meat into a mouth-watering masterpiece. First things first, select a quality piece of pork. A boneless shoulder roast or a loin roast work wonderfully. The ideal size is approximately 3 to 5 pounds. Remember, the better the quality of your pork, the better your roast will taste. Now it's time to marinate. A good marinade is the secret to a flavorful roast. Mix together some olive oil, minced garlic, rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper. Coat your pork generously with this aromatic mixture and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. This allows the meat to absorb all the flavors, making it tender and juicy. Once your pork has marinated, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, sear the pork on all sides in a hot pan. This locks in the flavors and gives your roast a beautiful golden brown crust. After searing, place your pork in a roasting pan. Pour in some chicken broth until it reaches about halfway up the sides of your roast. This will keep your pork moist during the roasting process. Slide your pan into the preheated oven and let your pork roast for about 20 minutes per pound. So for a 4-pound roast, you're looking at approximately an hour and 20 minutes. While your pork is roasting, it's time to prepare your gravy. In a saucepan, combine some of the pan drippings with flour and chicken broth. Simmer until it thickens into a rich, savory gravy. Once your pork has roasted, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring that every bite is succulent. Finally, slice your roast and serve it with a drizzle of your homemade gravy. Add some mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables on the side for a complete, hearty meal. In summary, creating a delicious pork roast from scratch involves choosing a quality piece of pork, marinating it in a flavorful mixture, searing it to lock in the flavors, roasting it in the oven, and serving it with a homemade gravy. So, the next time you're in the mood for a savory, home-cooked meal, remember this process. You'll impress your taste buds and anyone else lucky enough to join you. Bon appétit!